Hi trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This strategy is based on a very simple indicator, which is the zigzag channels by Lux Argo and our Hasi indicator. Alright, you can find them on the indicators section. They're completely free. So let's get started. There are only 2 steps to this indicator, which I'll show you guys just now. So first of all, we have our channels, as you can see, which I love, and we have our Hasi. This works great because now we are looking for a bounce on either of these channels, a bounce or a retest. All right. So whenever we have a bounce in confluence with an oversold area or an overbought area, let's use this one. We are looking for a sell or buy. All right. Now, rule of thumb, always go with the trend. So, for example, you can see we have an oversold area right here. So we know it's oversold when it touches the green area, and it's overbought when it touches the red area. So we have an oversold area here. That's why we had a nice sell. Just gonna put this here. Yeah. So we had a nice sell here. Yeah, put it there. We had a nice buy right here. Let's keep going. So right now we are only looking for buys because the trend is definitely up. We're looking for buys, not looking for sells. As you can see, our trend changed right here, but we did not have an oversold. You can see our trend started to change right here. As you can see, and we had a nice trade here. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. There was really nothing. There hasn't been anything. We had an overbought, but this was a buying market. So we haven't had much signals in the past few, but definitely it worked 100%. As you can see, we had a nice trade opportunity right here. My buy signals. Yeah, trade opportunity. There we go. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.